What is going on, guys? Welcome to my very first video to this new gaming channel I'm trying to start. My name is Silly Gamer. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys me building my own PC. I'm going to talk about the parts that I got, the prices, and I hope you guys can just really learn something because for some people that were in my shoes before, building a PC was very difficult. I'm going to be straight up honest with you guys. It was difficult, stressful, because there's just so many brands, so many parts out there, so much information out there that it was just mind-blowing. So I hope you guys can learn something from this video. If you guys do, hit that like and subscribe, and yeah, come to this gaming channel. And yeah, I'm just gonna do a lot of gaming on this channel. Fortnite, Call of Duty. If there's a specific game you guys wanted me to play, just let me know. Yeah, let's do this. Before I start this video, I want to be completely honest with you guys because I feel like if I'm not honest, I don't want you guys to expect something from me that I can't give you guys. My knowledge on PC stuff is very low. I still don't know anything about PC stuff. So this video is not really about giving you the most information about the parts. It's just mainly just like the parts that I got and just me building it. But definitely check out PC Part Picker. That website literally helped me so much. I'm going to go into more details later on in the video, so just sit back and enjoy the video. Alright guys, let's start off with the case. We got the Fractal Design Focus G. The see-through part that you guys are seeing, it is plastic. It does come with two fans at the front that light up blue. For the graphic card, we got the MSI Focus G, 6GB. This also does light up. For the motherboard, we got the MSI B450 Tomahawk. This also does LED lights. For the CPU, I'm using an AMD Ryzen 7 8-core processor. This does not light up. Alright, for the power supply, we got the Corsair 550 watts, 80 plus gold. Alright, for the fans, we got a H7 CPU cooler. And then for the other fan, we got the Corsair Air Series in white. For the memory, we got the Ripjaw 16GB. We got the Western Digital 250GB SSD card. We got the Barracuda 2TB hard drive. For accessories, got the Logitech ProStream webcam. The keyboard was the Logitech G810 Orion. And then for the mouse, Logitech G502. So this is PC Part Picker. This is going to give you a better understanding of all the parts and prices and where I bought everything from. You can see at the very bottom the total amount. I did not pay this much amount on my PC because the time that when I was buying the PC parts, there was a lot of sales going on, like back to school. I have couple friends that work at tech places, so they were able to give me a discount, mostly on the accessories like the keyboard, the webcam, the gaming mouse. I got a really good discount on that. I'm not quite sure of how much I spent total. I think I spent at least like $1,100 on just the PC parts. Mostly got my stuff off Amazon and Newegg. But you guys can see, you guys gotta just do your research on it. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys did, leave a like, subscribe, leave some comments down in the below. Let me know what kind of parts you got, what kind of PC you built for your needs, what kind of games you're playing, what game that I should play. You know, let's just interact. I'm just trying to I'm just trying to entertain you guys as much as possible. Alright guys, before I leave, I just want to give a little quick story of building this PC. I knew nothing about PC before I built this. I did research for 2 months, for hours. I'm telling hours. I was able to use the computer at work on my free time. So when I had free time, I was on the computer, just on PC Part Picker, on websites to see like the prices, and just like every day for 2 months straight, I was doing hard research on this on PC, and it got to the point where I was just stressing because I just wanted my PC parts. I just wanted to play games, but I realized that that's not the case because this is something you're spending a lot of money on. You really need to do your research on reviews, on the parts that you're picking. So first guys, I just want to give you guys a tip is to take your time, do your research, just be patient. I promise you guys it's going to be worth it in the long run. Second, when I had all the parts come to me, they were just sitting in a corner collecting dust because I had a friend that was going to come help me, but you know, life gets in the way. I understand he was busy, so I think like 2 weeks passed by and I just could not wait any longer. So I literally just like said, screw it, I'm going to build the PC on my own. I watched a lot of YouTube videos, and to be honest guys, I thought I wasn't going to be able to build the PC, but it took me 10 hours to build it. I took a couple breaks, and honestly when I finished building that PC, I was just amazed of the things that I could do if you just at least try. And that's what I want you guys to learn from this video, just to try things. If you're somewhere in your life that you don't know what you want to do, you think you want to do that but you just don't, just give it a try, and if it doesn't work you can just move on or just give it another try. You know, that's how you become successful in life, is by failing, believe it or not. And it's kind of shitty to think that failing that's how you become successful, but that's just the way life is. Oh, I almost forgot guys, I do have another YouTube channel and other social medias where I do vlogs. It's not gaming. It's mostly on just like entertaining vlogs, fitness vlogs, just like life vlogs, just to entertain you guys, because that's what I'm trying to do, is just to entertain you guys, because I think I'm pretty funny. Like when I hang out with my friends, I make them laugh, and I'm the type of person that I will make a fool of myself no matter what, just to get you to laugh. So, yeah, so follow me on all those, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you guys. I'll see you guys later.